So once you've determined exactly what you want your message to say and you have calculated out the total number of segments, the next step would be to select the contacts that you want to send this bulk message to. So from your account, click on Contacts, and we've created a smart list for you for contacts that have a phone number in their account and they have not been marked Do Not Disturb. Now from here, you can either select all records or you can just select a few. You can also take this list and add additional tags to it or additional filters. So if I could filter by my tag is any of, and if I want to select specific treatments, so Botox or let's say fillers, and then I can hit apply. Now I don't want to hit save or save as new because that will change the setting that we have on the smart list, but you'll see that does narrow down the total records that I'm going to send to you. So the next step would be to select all of your records, and for this purpose I'm just going to select one. And then you want to go to send SMS. Now, it's basically saying that this is a bulk action and that sometimes this can take a period of time to send these out. So you just want to hit OK. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste in the message that I want to send. Now, a couple of things to note. You want to make sure that within your message, you are using a dynamic field for your contact name. So in order to prevent your message being marked as spam, it's important to customize it. And the way that we do that is we use contact fields. And so I'm able to add that in using a custom value. So hi, first name. This is the bulk SMS I plan to send. It's going to alert my client about a flash sale my practice is having. Reply to this message to learn more. For the call to action, we typically recommend using a reply to this message because it engages that two-way conversation that we really want to create within your advanced leads account. The next thing that you want to include is who the message is coming from. So you can either put your practice name, or you can include a custom values. So we use these quite a bit, account and the name. So that will dynamically bring it in from how your account is set up within the settings. Now, depending on how many contacts you're sending this to, what we recommend is to send within a drip mode. And so we want to put an action for bulk SMS, whatever the name of it is, so flash sale demo. And when you want it to start on, so you can select the date that you want it to start on, and I want to do 9 a.m. when my practice opens, and I don't want it to send on Saturday or Sunday, and I want to do to 100 contacts at a time and repeat after 20 minutes. So essentially within an hour's time, I will send 300 messages. This is just doing it a little at a time, and that way you're not sending too many at once. Now you can change this, but we recommend about 100 contacts per every 10 minutes for an account that has been active for some time. And we will create, you'll find on this page the best practice around what the drip mode looks like. And then I want to start sending the message from 9 a.m. to when my practice closes, about 30 minutes beforehand, 4:30. And then you would click send SMS. And so that would go ahead and start that drip messaging out. So again, two very important things to note is that you need to include a dynamic contact field and then who the message is being sent from. So your practice name or your location name. And if you have any questions or want further information on how to send this bulk SMS to your contacts, please feel free to reach out and we are always happy to assist.